Human beings are complex creatures. The way they behave often seems random and unpredictable, but can we make sense of it? Are there patterns in the ways people live, interact, and build communities? And if so, can we build theories that enable us to predict how people might act when faced with particular circumstances? If you've ever had a theory about why people sometimes act in the ways that they do, you're part way to becoming a social scientist. Social science is the study of human behavior and the resulting outcomes. Behavior can refer to many things. It can be about people's preferences and choices. When and why do they select one alternative over another, whether that's ice cream versus fruit, or a red political party over a blue one? It may be about their actions. When do they do things that are regarded as kind and compassionate, from litter picking to working as a volunteer? It can be about their interactions, what makes them decide to cooperate or compete with others in a particular task, whether that's children with toys or two businesses. Importantly, social science is concerned with society, the way people live together in communities and interact. You won't find a social science theory of Queen Victoria or Beyoncé. That's because each individual is far too complicated to theorize, and you cannot easily build an explanation for human behavior by observing just one individual. You would have no basis on which to claim that that individual's experience was representative of a wider pattern. So, while individuals are often the focus of the humanities and the natural sciences, social scientists generally focus on observing and understanding the behavior of groups. Social science matters because it can provide sources of evidence that inform decision-making across business, government, and society. Almost any social question can be explored using the tools offered by social science. How do countries get richer? What determines children's educational outcomes? How do diseases spread? Why do people vote for particular political parties? What shapes race and gender inequality? What makes people give up smoking? If we understand the causes and consequences of actions, we can change them. With insights from social science, policymakers, chief executives, community leaders, consumers, and citizens may be persuaded to change their behavior. This can make a difference in areas as diverse as addressing climate change, shaping electoral outcomes, fighting pandemics, ending wars, and alleviating poverty.